Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In the last video I managed to paint all the stuff that goes on the engine right here, and the piping and some other miscellaneous stuff. Also I managed to paint the transmission and the cover for it. In today's video I'm going to continue working on the car, continue working on the intake and put it on the car. Maybe you guys can see it, it's much cleaner now. All the parts. So I'm going to assemble that and put it on the engine. Meanwhile, I want to show you guys that I got another oil pan, because you know mine had a little hole around the plug right there. So I had to order a different one, and as you can see it has huge dents everywhere. On the picture it didn't show because it was so freaking dirty. Even when I got in the package it was still dirty, muddy, oil everywhere. And I found out that, as you can see, the lip is damaged. I mean, it's not terrible, but if you're paying 180 bucks on eBay, you shouldn't get a damaged one, or at least they should put it in the description that it has a lip damage. So I have to fix that. I already cleaned all the seal around. As you can see, it's pretty clean inside too. So what I'm going to do is fix the dents, fix the lip, and maybe get a fresh coat of paint, because this is not what I want to put on the new engine. Also, I managed to take out the bolt. Also, I drilled out the one I had stuck inside, that one. I already put the helicoil in it, so now it's perfectly matching with all the other bolt sizes. So as you can see, I had to drill pretty much material out of it. I'm going to clean this section of the engine, putting back the Permatex and the cover on it, and then I can put on the oil pan. And that side of the job is done, so I can finally seal the whole engine. Since I already painted the transmission, I can mount the transmission into the engine, and maybe next week I can put back the engine inside where it belongs. So let's get into this.
Get up, we want you to get on your feet. Stand up, come on, get loose with the heat. Right now, pick your body till you black out. So get the fuck up. Cause we gon' light up this place. We got that business for days. Tokyo GA from the outer space. So cover and dock, you're out of luck, we don't give up. Yeah, we're going up, next floor is us, you're riding with us.
Put on the belt and make the timing, but I'm gonna have this tool. I'm gonna need this tool to do it professionally. As you can see, I managed to put the markings where it should be, right there. All the markings gonna point to the right direction. The only thing that I'm going to need is this tool right here. Also, today I got the gasket, so I managed to put on the oil pump. Also, tomorrow I'm going to put on the oil pump housing, and that's it. Take a look at the throttle body. It's much cleaner now. All around. Nice and clean. I'm going to mount it back into its place.
You got me trapped inside this spell. Now I feel it. Now I feel it. Your demons drag me close to hell. I can feel it.
Managed to assemble the engine, not fully, but I'm pretty close. I hope you guys enjoyed this this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.